In this lecture, I will go over the proper way to dribble. Now, there is a proper technique in how you're supposed to dribble. So every time I dribble here, as you can see here, whenever I dribble, I want to dribble mainly with my fingertips. Every once in a while, the ball will hit the palm, and that's fine. You're not always going to hit the fingertips all the time, but majority of the time, you want it to. Now, the reason for that is your fingertips are able to have a better grip on the ball, and you can be able to maneuver through these moves with the fingertips. Because in time, as you keep dribbling and dribbling over and over, and you keep practicing, your fingertips will be more and more familiar with the ball. So in time, you'll have better grip, and your ball handling skills will improve drastically. One way to know that I'm dribbling with my fingertips is whenever I go outside, there's a tendency where the ball gets dirty, as well as your hands. So whenever I'm dribbling outside and shooting around, I notice that the dirtiest part of my hand are actually the fingertips, and that's when I know that the ball has been hitting my fingertips whenever I dribble, majority of the time. So just make sure whenever you dribble that you're always aware of the fact that your fingertips have to touch the ball.